As the NCB intensifies its investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case and widens its net across Bollywood, two major updates have emerged in the case today. Sushant's former talent manager, Jaya Saha, has reportedly shared details about her last conversation with the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput on the 5th of June with the NCB. Jaya Saha has reportedly admitted to procuring banned substances for actors Shraddha Kapoor, Sushant Singh Rajput, Rhea Chakrabarti and producer Madhu Mantena. Rhea Chakrabarti, Shouvik, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, who were arrested by the NCB, will remain in judicial custody till October 6 after their bail plea is rejected yet again. The NCB seems to be widening the scope of its investigation and is reportedly preparing to question other Bollywood stars like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Rakulpreet Singh, Shraddha Kapoor and even Dia Mirza. They have also been grilling Sushant's former talent manager and Kwan employee Jaya Saha, who seems to be an important link and source of information in the case. In reports that emerged earlier, it was said that Jaya had named powerful producer and entrepreneur Madhu Mantena in the course of her interrogation. According to the most recent news report, Jaya has also allegedly spoken to the NCB about her last conversation with Sushant. सुनने में आया है कि जया की आखिरी बार सुशांत से 5 जून को बात हुई, लेकिन ये बात सिर्फ काम को लेकर थी। उन्होंने सुशांत के साथ एक नए फिल्म ऑफर को डिस्कस किया, which was supposedly to be directed by Kumar Mangat. Apparently, while Sushant was being offered 6 crores for the movie, he wanted double the amount as remuneration. Jaya has also allegedly shared that the celebrity management agency Kwan assisted Sushant in signing films like Drive, Kedarnath and Sonchiriya. जया का कहना है कि वो आखिरी बार सुशांत से मार्च 2020 में मिली थी और उस वक्त उन्हें लगा कि सुशांत की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. She has reportedly told the NCB that the actor kept going to his bedroom during their meeting and didn't seem too well, but she didn't speak to him about it since their meeting was only work-related. While interrogation by the NCB continues, in a major setback to Rhea Chakrabarti, Shouvik Chakrabarti, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, a sessions court has extended their judicial custody till 6th of October and rejected their bail plea. We hear that Rhea and Shouvik have now appealed for bail in the Bombay High Court. As per reports, Rhea and Shouvik's plea will be heard on the 23rd of September. Rhea was arrested on the 8th of September after 3 days of interrogation by the NCB, where she allegedly admitted to procuring banned substances for herself and Sushant and consuming them along with the late actor. Rhea's brother Shouvik has also allegedly confessed that he arranged for a banned substance for Sushant, for which Rhea made the payment. Whether Rhea and Shouvik get bail in the case remains to be seen, but what is certain is that the investigation by the NCB is likely to reveal many uncomfortable truths about Bollywood and its high-profile celebrities.